Anxiety tip for today is get grounding. Welcome, my friends. This is MK coming at you with another anxiety tip. Before I start, please subscribe to this channel to support myself and anyone that suffers with anxiety. Thank you so much. Grounding in nature helps our anxiety. Now, how does this work? Well, the mind can't think of two things at once. So it's either going to stay in that anxious mode or it's going to be distracted. And this is what we are doing when we go out in nature. Yeah. And when we start to ground in nature. Notice I left that word try. Yeah, it's a negative word. And I said, this is what we are doing. So believe in yourself. Believe these things actually work because number one, you're distracting the mind from your anxiety. Number two, you're going into full natural mindfulness where all your senses or most of your senses are taken in sight, your vision, sound all around you, maybe birds. Yeah, maybe those crinkly leaves you're walking on. Yeah. You're taking in the smell and you're also taking in the touch. So in this natural mindfulness environment, you are escaping and distracting the mind from your anxiety. And we know that the mind can't think of two things at once. The most powerful thing will grab hold of the mind. And if you can take your shoes and socks off and just walk on the grass or just feel that grass, that's even better. That is grounding, or sometimes it's called earthing. So this is something that's helped me along my journey in this life. And there's so many people do exactly the same thing. You know, there's a lot of people out there with their dogs and they take their dogs out for a walk. It's the same thing. It's grounding, it's escapism. Look at this fella here. And a little bit of a nose down from the tree at me, this beautiful squirrel. So what's he doing? So that's my tip for today. Get yourself out in nature and just smash through that anxiety. And imagine your anxiety like clouds, because something else will take its place and it will just move gently along when you're grounding in nature. So that's it. Very, very simple tip today. Look at these beautiful trees. You know, get out there, take in all the smells, the sights. We have to feed parts of our body and soul, don't we, along the way. And remember to believe in yourself. You got this. You take great care now, and I will see you on the next video. Namaste, my friends. Namaste.